Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46, and if you have one from year 1998 to year 2006, guys, BMW 3 Series, and you have a code such as P0010, guys, stay with us and we'll show you how to fix that. We have that 2005 BMW with this code. We'll explain what causes that. We're going to diagnose it, and we will also, guys, list all the tools and parts, including the replacement parts and the scanner, in the description of the video below for your convenience. In addition, guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel in return, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's start on it now. So we have the scanner connected right here, guys. That's the scanner that we'll be using to the OBD port of the vehicle. But before we continue, let me start it for you. Okay, and you're going to notice how the engine light is on. Okay, engine light just stays on, guys. Okay, no matter what you do, that engine light is there all the time. So what is causing that now? Okay, that code P0010. We'll turn the engine off now, okay, and once we do that now, we'll need to turn the ignition on only where the lights are on, but the car is not running. Okay, we have the scanner here, and this one works not just on BMW, guys. This is amazing scanner. Okay, let me just adjust it here, that I'll recommend. Okay, you can read and delete codes from the engine computer, airbag computer, traction control and ABS computer. You can do battery registration, quite a few things. So really cool too, guys, just to show you quick what it can do. You can find it listed in the description of the video below and see where we get it from. I'll click OBD, and now it's going to connect. It's going to take just a little bit of time. Also, guys, all the tools and parts, as I mentioned, okay, will be listed in the description of the video below, so that way you don't have to waste time finding it, okay, and you will know where to get them from, because many of you ask me, guys, where we buy our parts from. So we started that program now where we list everything underneath the vehicle. Okay, it's connecting now. It's going to give us, okay, the table, and we have one code found. Okay, we confirm, okay, we select enter, and now we're going to go under read codes, stored codes. The code is P0010, A, camshaft position, actuator, circuit open, bank 1. Now we'll explain, guys, okay, what causes that. So let me turn the engine off and we'll explain what needs to be inspected or replaced. So we have already that cover out of the way, guys. Okay, this cover right here stays like that. Okay, but with the cover it's a little bit hard for me to show you things, so I removed it. You don't even have to remove it, to be honest with you. I just removed it so I can show you, okay, a little bit better where things are, and you know, guys, okay, what to expect. So if you come towards this side now, okay, remember how the code, it starts with camshaft A. Okay, that means that the intake camshaft VANOS Solenoid actuator. Okay, this is on the intake side because this is where the engine is getting its fuel and air. On this side you have your exhaust, so the one for the exhaust is down there. Now this is, guys, the intake one. This is your VANOS solenoid. So you have to inspect your wiring harness here, guys. Make sure that the wiring harness is not broken or anything. How you disconnect it, you push on that clip and pull it back. Okay, inspect to make sure that there is no corrosion or anything. Reconnect it, check it again, see if it's going to take care of the problem. Also, if that doesn't take care of the problem, the VANOS itself, okay, we'll have to replace it on ours. You just remove it. Okay, you can see that big nut, you get it loose. Okay, unscrew the VANOS, take it out, replace it with a new one. This is the solenoid. You can actually even test those. We have the video on the channel that explains how to test them. Super simple. You don't even need any special tools to test the VANOS solenoid. You can do it. Okay, super simple, but you have to remove it. Check it out if you want on the channel. In our case, it's a bad VANOS solenoid, so we'll be replacing it. All you have to do again, just take it off, okay, install the new one. You don't need to do any programming. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that. If you want to see the video, guys, we'll have it on the channel, how to replace both of them. but now we'll be just doing that and we'll see if that will take care of the problem. So VANOS solenoid has been replaced. I'll go inside now. Okay, it's been a while, so I'll need to turn the ignition on again. Okay, and I'll turn. Okay, I'm going to reconnect the computer and read the codes to make sure that it's going to reconnect to the engine computer so we can clear the engine light. Otherwise we have to reconnect the computer from the beginning because the ignition was off for a long time and it needs to establish communication. So we need to click erase codes right here. Erase done, yes. Perfect. Now I'll turn the engine off, the ignition off, start the car. Okay, and seems like, guys, okay, the car runs smooth, no engine light on. If something goes bad and it comes back, we'll list it in the description of the video below. I'll just quick go to read codes, and we're going to check under pending codes. If it's not performing, you'll be able to find it there quick. Nothing. So that definitely took care of our problem. New VANOS solenoid. Thank you for watching. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.